about in today's session is how VR can be used to help people understand empathy. Of course, we've had VR in medicine for many, many years. There's simulation centers. We haven't called it VR, but we've had, for example, arthroscopic simulators that people could go to a center and learn very precisely how to, in practice, how to use a new surgical tool and learn to do an operation. But those were location-based and expensive, and it's changing now. We have systems that can be done at the clinic. Here's an example of a system using the Vive, a clinician preparing and practicing how to place a tibial nail using a new medical device. So a way to get familiar before the operation and rehearse maybe the sequencing of procedures. There should be sound for this, if possible. Well, it's not that important, it's just some piano music. But you get the sense here that this is something now is taking what was done at very expensive, multi-million-dollar facilities that people would have to fly in and spend the weekend. Now they could do it at the clinic. And there's a number of companies pursuing this. Here's the work of our friend Parvati Dev. She's been doing this for many years, and she has systems that can do training of a clinical process. Just a quick example of, I think this is preparing a patient for dialysis. And this could be multi-user, where a team can practice how to prepare a patient. And we also have some wonderful virtual patients that have an overlay of physiological data, so you can see how what you're doing is affecting their heart rate, their respiration, how the anesthetics are affecting them. We also have some great data fusion systems where people can fuse data from MRI and ultrasound and plan an operation in advance. Again, I'm moving along very quickly. I wish I had more time to go into greater detail. I think the biggest impact of virtual reality in medicine, one of the biggest impacts, is going to be on better assessments.